There's a push. We are. When you're standing.
So it moves from this point to A point.
When
But
you're.
that's more easily explained if the Earth is stationary.
No. You consider it stationary so that you can give relative.
Now see, okay, then demonstrate how the plane would be moving if it went up.
If it goes up, let's say you're stationary. Let's say helicopter මෙහෙම උඩට ගියා කියමු.
එතකොට now along with your
ගියාම you're still the helicopter is giving just pushing against gravity to go up.
Yes.
But along with gravity there is a
circular motion.
Circular motion in inward. What do you call
Inward acceleration.
Inward acceleration.
That's
right?
what it says. So show me how it moves. So say when the Earth rotates, how does the helicopter move? Helicopter
will go like that. Yeah. He will go like that.
And plane again?
Plane push for helicopter එකත් එහෙම තමයි. As long as you give a force to the other side, you will move.
Okay, so now say a plane is traveling in this direction along with the rotation of the Earth. Show me how the plane moves.
It will move like that.
Okay.
If it's moving forward, it will move like that.
Okay. But say it's going from Sri Lanka to China, the plane obviously has to be moving faster than the Earth's rotation for it to get there.
Not necessarily. No. There are two things that you have to keep in mind. Okay. This is relative. The plane is always moving relative to the Earth.
Yes.
When you're taking calculations into account, it's always distance over distance. It's the distance that we are thinking about. We don't need to think about the Earth's rotation because you're already in there. Unless you leave the atmosphere, like if you're going to the moon or something, that's a completely different thing.
No, but what I'm saying is, say you go from here to here, Mata.
Yeah.
If you were staying on that point, you would be going at the speed of the Earth's rotation.
Yeah.
So if the plane has to go from this point to another point, it has to be going faster than the speed of the rotation.
No.
What are the other? How can it get there?
Relative velocity here.
Yeah, relative is much as simply this minus this. That velocity minus.
Not necessarily. Mu කියන එක හරි, but he is forgetting that there is a greater force that's keeping us on this earth which you're not thinking about, which you're not even giving consideration to.
He's not asking you a question about that. He's just
I'm saying that applies which he's not believing.
No. Let's say it applies and you're still there, Masha. What I'm saying is, in spite of that, the plane's velocity has to be more than the Earth's velocity, right?
Relatively. Yes.
It has to be more, Masha.
Relatively, yes.
Otherwise, how do you get to another
destination? So my question basically is, while it's rotating like this motion should be different to this.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying, Masha.
Otherwise, you'll be moving the world, you won't be able to get to your destination.
That's what I'm saying.
ඒක හොඳ පාට් ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා.